and find the place where I am lying, and kneel and say an Ave there for me, and I shall hear those soft you tread above me, and all thy grave will warmer, sweeter be, and you will there and tell me that you love me, and I shall sleep in peace until you come to me.
That was a great choice there. That Danny Boy, sung by Judith Durham. What a great choice. Coming up next, we've got a massive favourite of mine. Probably one of the main reasons that I fell in love with music. It's Joy Division. It's Love Will Tear Us Apart.
When routine lights fall and the vision goes,
That was Joy Division with Love Will Tear Us Apart. Right, sadly, we're coming to the end of the show. How fast has this hour gone yet again? I can't believe how fast they go. But I just hope today you have enjoyed this morning's show. And if you have, make sure you tune in again. But most of all, if you've got any mates there that want any airplay, that are sick of carting the stuff round, get in touch with me. And I'll tell you what I'll do. Yeah, I'll play them. Because this is the ethos of the station. We will give unsigned bands a chance. All you got to do is get in touch with me. There's two ways of doing it. The Facebook page or email me at soundsofsalfordradio@yahoo.com. Just email me some tracks in. I'll have a listen. I'll get them on. I'll MP3 them and bang, you're on there. Anyway, do yourselves a favour. Have a great Thursday. And if you've enjoyed the show, tune in next time.
Time has come! There's a ghost in my house. There's a ghost in my house. Ghost in my house. The ghost of your memory. Ghost in my house. The ghost of the love you took from me. Where our love used to be. All the shadows from the past I see. Time can't seem to erase the vision of your smiling face. Though you found someone new, I can't get over you. There's a ghost in my house that can't hide from the ghost of your love that's inside. It keeps on haunting me, just keeps on reminding me. In my mind I know you're gone, but my heart keeps holding on to the memories of those happy times, to the love that once was mine. Though we're far apart, you're always in my heart. There's a ghost in my house I can't hide from the ghost of your love that's inside. You're still such a part of me, still so deep in the heart of me. I just keep hearing your footsteps on the stairs. When I know there's no one there, every day I love you more. Yeah, 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 baby, it's out of sight. Out on the floor each night, I'm really moving. The band is wailing right, I feel like grooving. The chicks are out of sight and I'm approving, yeah. The crowd is in tonight, begging for more. While I'm getting my kicks out on the floor. Out on the floor tonight, I feel like singing. The beat is right and bright, guitars are ringing. I'm really on tonight and everything's swinging. Oh, the room is packed up tight, lined at the door. Yeah, yeah. So I'm getting my kicks out on the floor. Yeah, 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 baby, it's out of sight. When I'm out on the floor, it makes me feel like a king. Everybody here, don't you know what I mean? Yeah, it makes me wanna move. It makes me feel that groove. And watch me twist and shout. Say I'm working on out. When I feel that beat, I gotta move my feet. Out on the floor tonight, I feel like singing. Yeah, baby, the beat is hot and bright, guitars are ringing. The chicks are out of
want me to get down on my knees, beg you, baby, please, cry a million tears? Do you want me to call you on the phone, beg you to come home, think of all the years when I once lived in paradise, when the love light shone in your eyes? Oh, tell me what can I do when I still love you? What can I say when I still want you? What can I do? What can I say? You're living this way. Do you want me to follow you around everywhere in town? Do you want a crown? Why do you treat me mean and cruel, breaking every rule? Can't I be your fool? We could make this a happy home, so come back where you belong. Oh, tell me what can I do? Sometimes